So today we're gonna be trying this product here, Lean Cuisine Marketplace Chicken Pad Thai. White meat chicken, carrots, snap peas, scrambled eggs, with rice noodles in a Thai-style sauce. 11 ounces, comes in the freezer section. That was about the only thing in the freezer section. So let's see how she stacks up. So, this package here says, for food safety and quality, follow these cooking instructions. Microwave use only. 1100 watts. Remove shrink wrap and lid. Place lid under container. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. Stir and cook another 1 minute. So, we'll follow the prescription here and see what happens. So, when you take the top off there, that's what it looked like. Yes, it looked like a TV dinner. A hospital food. Okay, so let it go for the 4 minute like it says. Just stir it up. So we stirring it up and let's just put it back in for 1 more minute. So let's see what this looks like once it's all done up here. Smelling pretty good. Okay, so I pulled that out of there. About half of it. That's a lot. That'll feed 2 people easy. Let's see what she tastes like. It's actually pretty tasty. I'm actually surprised. Decent product for frozen lean cuisine. It's still TV dinner, but not bad for a TV dinner. Thanks for joining me. We will see you next time.